Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE drill produces a surprising amount of power for its size and at a fraction of the price of the premium cordless drills on our list. It took an impressive 3 seconds to drill a 1/2 inch hole into a 2x4. Its ability to drill holes with a 1-inch spade bit was mixed, however. During testing, the bit became hopelessly bound in the wood every couple of holes. When used as a driver, it had no problems driving in 3-inch screws. This drill weighs just 2.23 pounds, not including the battery. Couple that with a narrow profile, and the Skil was one of the easiest 20-volt drills to use. While it doesn't offer the bells and whistles you'll find on premium drills, it does give you 2 speed settings and an LED work light. And while a premium cordless drill kit can run you upwards of $300, the Skil 20-volt drill kit is just $80. That low price, coupled with its solid performance, makes it a great value pick. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Hammer Drill. The flagship drill of DeWalt's line of cordless drills is impressive in its raw power and versatility. We bore a 1/2 inch hole through a 2x4 with a standard bit in about half a second and a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in 3 seconds flat. Both times were the fastest I recorded for all of the drills I tested. I was also impressed by all the options for controlling that power. With 3 speed options, I was able to dial its speed way back. That, coupled with the ability to drop the torque, allowed me to drive in screws without stripping the screw head. Among other features I appreciated about the DeWalt XR drill included an anti-rotation safety feature that shuts off the motor if it senses too much rotational motion, saving your wrist, and a built-in work light you can aim. The XR isn't particularly light at 4.1 pounds, not including a battery, but it is relatively short with a head length of 7.6 inches, which means it can fit into tighter spots than many other cordless drills. The DeWalt XR cordless drill is one of the most expensive drills on our list, but worth the investment for if you're someone capable of taking on projects normally dedicated to pros. At number 3, we have the Flex 24 volts Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex's cordless tools are known for their impressive power output, and this cordless drill is no exception. With its 400 inch-pounds of torque and max 500 RPM speed, it blazed through my tests, drilling 5 holes with a 1/2 inch twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit each in under 3 seconds, and it did so incredibly smoothly. Interested to see just how much it could handle, I took it to a block of cement and drilled holes with a 3/8 inch bit. Where most cordless drills would fail at this point, the Flex just kept on chugging, burrowing through the cement with no hesitation. With its 24-volt motor and battery, the Flex weighs just under 4 pounds bare and nearly 6 pounds, with the included 5Ah battery, making it one of the heavier models I tested. And while its head is a relatively short 7.1 inches, it has a larger profile, so it doesn't navigate into tight spaces as easily as you might want it to. At number 2, we have the Ryobi 18 volts 1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill. Ryobi's cordless hammer drill packs enough punch to handle most odd jobs around the house, along with a few bigger projects, at a price point that's far below the cost of the premium cordless drills on this list. It puts out 750 inch-pounds of torque and 2 100 RPM, which is on the high end for a cordless drill kit that costs under $100. How did this power bear out in testing? Results were mixed. I was able to bore 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit at a pace of 5 seconds per hole. I also had no problem driving a 3-inch wood screw into 2 stacked 2x4s, and I drilled a hole with a 1/2-inch twist bit after dropping the speed and switching to hammer drill mode. I was able to bore into concrete with a 3/8-inch bit, but anything larger than that was pushing it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita 18V LXT1 1/2-inch cordless hammer driver. Makita's flagship hammer drill packs quite a punch in a compact size, producing 250 inch-pounds of torque with a max speed of 100 RPM. Not surprisingly, it had no problem handling both of my drill bit tests. It easily drove a 1-inch spade bit and 1/2-inch drill bit through a 2x4. I also found success using its hammer drill function to bore 5/8-inch holes into concrete. The Makita hammer drill also serves as a very capable driver. Once I dialed back the speed and torque to prevent it from stripping screw heads, I consistently drove 3-inch wood screws into my stacked 2x4s. Even with all that power, the drill manages to stay compact with a head length of 7 inches. Though it's one of the heaviest drills I tested with a bare weight of 5.5 pounds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.